Have you ever felt unstoppable after watching a motivational video only to fall right back into your old habits the next day? You're not lazy. You're not broken. You've just been relying on the wrong fuel. In this story, you'll discover the real secret to success, not flashy, not quick, but powerful enough to change your life forever. Stay with me. This story might just be the wake-up call you've been waiting for. In a quiet little town nestled between hills and fields lived a teenager named Jake. He had dreams bigger than the sky. He wanted to become a top engineer and build incredible things that would change the world. Every night, Jake sat in his room watching motivational videos, speeches by billionaires, YouTube success stories, TED Talks. They made him feel unstoppable. I'm going to wake up at 5 a.m. tomorrow. I'll study hard. This is it. No more laziness. But when the alarm rang the next morning, he hit snooze. Again and again. Days passed. Motivation came and went, but Jake's old habits stayed the same. He felt stuck, frustrated, tired of feeling like he was falling behind. One afternoon, while walking through town, Jake passed a construction site. There, an older man named Mr. Carson was laying bricks under the hot sun day. Every day, Jake saw him there, always working, always focused. Curious, Jake asked, "Mr. Carson, how do you keep doing this every day? Don't you ever feel like skipping it?" Mr. Carson smiled as he laid another brick. "You see that wall over there?" he said, pointing to a tall, solid wall behind him. "That didn't get built overnight. I just show up every day and lay a few bricks. That's it." Jake tilted his head, puzzled. "But what if you're tired? Or it's too hot? Or you're just not in the mood?" Mr. Carson wiped the sweat and said, "Then I lay the brick while I'm tired. Because if I only worked when I felt like it, that wall would still be a pile of bricks." Then he looked Jake in the eyes and said something he would never forget. "Motivation is like a spark, it burns out fast. Discipline is the fire that keeps burning day after day." That night, something shifted inside Jake. No more waiting for motivation. No more hype. No more perfect timing. He set a small goal, just 1 hour of focused work every day. He didn't try to be perfect. He tried to be consistent. Even when he was tired, he showed up. Even when he didn't feel like it, he laid a brick. 1 hour became 2, then 3. Weeks passed, then months. His grades improved. His confidence grew. He felt proud, not of what he dreamed about, but what he did. 2 years later, Jake earned a full scholarship to a top engineering school. At graduation, a younger student asked him, "Jake, how did you stay motivated for so long?" Jake smiled and replied, "I didn't. I just stopped waiting for motivation and started laying bricks." Let Jake's story be a reminder to all of us. You don't need to do everything today. You just need to do some. Lay one brick. Stay consistent. Let discipline carry you when motivation fades. One day, you'll look back and realize you've built something incredible, your future. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like the video to support the channel. Comment below, what's one small habit you're going to commit to today? And subscribe for more inspiring stories every single week designed to help you grow one brick at a time. We'll meet again soon. Until then, stay consistent, stay strong.